Yo, what's going on, guys? Sinister Skater here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing little mini review of the Corsair Strafe RGB Cherry MX mechanical keyboard. I'm super excited for this. This keyboard is a couple of years old. There's a decent amount of YouTube unboxings already, but I wanted to do my own because personally, I like to watch as many different unboxing and reviews when I'm looking to make a purchase for a product. So, you know, the more Strafe unboxing you got on YouTube, the better. So this is my first mechanical keyboard. I wouldn't say I am a keyboard, PC noob. I've done my extensive research and have a pretty good grasp of keyboards, but I'm no PC building enthusiast who has a bunch of experience or anything like that. So we're going to be doing this unboxing from my perspective of knowledge. I'll try to cover all the questions I had when deciding what keyboard I was going to purchase and during this unboxing, and do also like my first impressions review of the keyboard. It's not going to be like a full review, just so you're aware. But let's get into this. You guys have seen the exteriors of the box as we did this intro. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. We have these two cuts right here, and then we open the case. So the Strafe line, there is an entry level Strafe, which runs you, I think it's like $70 right now. It's called the RGB Strafe, and it's red. Then we have the Strafe RGB, which is this right here, which runs you about 120. And then, actually, let me get a better shot of this box. All right, that's slightly better. And then you have the Strafe Mark II, which is the newest version of this board with a few upgrades, and it runs you 140. I picked this up. We have the manual right here, nothing to be excited about. But I picked this up for $89.99 on Amazon, which was a great steal. So hopefully that deal's still on the net if you're looking to buy this. But what we have right here is the key, your wrist rest for the keyboard. It seems to be made of some hard plastic. I thought that'd be like a foam rest, but I guess that's cool. I haven't really used a wrist rest before, so I'll have to see how that works out. But that's the key rest right there. We'll throw that right in the front. Oh, and it has rubber feet, so it won't be sliding all over the place. That's nice. We also have some keycaps for your switches. Looks like you get the entire upper left-hand corner of your keyboard, as well as a key switch remover, and you get two pairs of the W and D switches, which is pretty nice, and they're different colors, so they'll be easier to recognize when you're gaming. We'll throw that right there as well. And then finally, in this box, we have the keyboard itself with its super long cord. Wow, I can't get this out. There we go. That I was looking for. All right, let's frame this shot a little bit better because we don't have to put anything else on the desk. Who cares about that? Okay, so here is the keyboard itself. You can see what it looks like out of the box. We'll be getting into the RGB a little bit, but you can see some of the buttons on the board itself, the Corsair logo. It's a full keyboard, full buttons, Corsair logo. You got the full keys, all your arrows, your function keys, programmable buttons, everything. You can program it yourself, program the RGB. Pretty slick looking. We'll do a typing test in the second. Big features of this is on this side of the board, you do have a USB pass-through. So you can plug in, I guess, your mouse if you really wanted to, or USB ports, whatever you want. You got an extra port to work with, which is pretty nice. And then you have this cord, which one big thing I wanted to know is how big this cord was. So I'll unwind this for you in a second. But it has two USB plugs with it. It's pretty beefy, pretty thick. It's almost like the size of a power cord. And if we go ahead and unravel this, I believe they said this was almost 3 meters long in length. So, I don't know, we're not going to zoom out for this, but you got the cord going here, we'll wind some more back, you got more cord there, more cord there, more cord there. I'm sorry, I don't know if I said 3 meters or whatever, but it's 2 meters, and actually I just measured out and stood up and raised the cord as high as it is. It's about 6 feet tall with the US measuring system. I believe that's 2 meters for the metric. So pretty long cord, should be able to reach where I needed to. I was looking for something longer, which is nice. And what else? I think you got a white back plate under the switches, so your RGB will shine nice and bright with your LEDs. You have the stands in the back. You can pop those out just like this. You got one, and you got two. You got your little raised keyboard, which is nice. Actually raised at a pretty nice level, something I'm pretty used to, pretty standard. And then of course you have the Cherry MX red mechanical switches under. You can see the little red switches under there, fully mechanical. And we'll go ahead and actually do a sound test right now so you guys can hear what they sound like. So there you have it. That's the keyboard. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy into the computer, see the RGB, and we'll wrap up the video right after that. Alright, we are in the Corsair software. You had to download this, and you can see the keyboard right here just radiating. It looks beautiful when it's lit in RGB. You have the lock button right here, and then you can turn the RGB off with the button right here, the little light button, the LEDs, and you turn the LEDs. There's 3 different brightness settings. You got the 1, the 2, and then the 3 for max brightness. And then you can go in here and you can do a bunch of different lighting effects. They have a bunch of different presets. One, we'll just go through them right here so you can see what they look like. But you can do any of their presets. You can go in and make your own different presets. You can do a bunch of different stuff with the software, and it's pretty intuitive and looks pretty awesome. You see what you're seeing on the PC screen when you're doing it is going directly into the keyboard, and it's pretty cool. You got different level color pulses. I'll just do everything like really fast so we don't have to spend too much time looking at this stuff. I like the white LED lighting too. Color wave, which has a little thing of color going all the way nice through it. You got visor, which is really quick, and it alternates between the colors. Really cool looking stuff. Rain, you got little raindrops of color, which looks pretty cool. I think that'd look pretty cool if you could limit all the colors in it. I don't like the rainbowy vomit looking colors, but if you could limit it to a couple different colors, I think that'd look pretty cool. This is a cool one. Type lighting. When you type look at that, look how awesome that is. You type and it pulsates out a random thing of light, so you can type a bunch of random crap and your whole keyboard lights out and sends out pulses. I love this effect. Really cool. This is actually what kind of convinced me to buy the keyboard, because it looks awesome. Just look at that. That's dope. That is an awesome freaking lighting technology. Then void visualer. I don't know what this is. Don't know what that is. It's probably maybe your custom settings. I don't know. Again, we're just going through here. You got all your custom settings. You can do gradients, ripples, waves, all that. Lighting link. I'm not sure what that is, but it's pretty much the same different things as these. I probably have to go in the menus and look at all that stuff. So pretty cool stuff there. You have a performance menu, so you can customize all your performance. And then the actions, I believe, is, yes, exactly. This is how you can program custom key commands to do whatever you want on the keyboard. You can make Alt L O do something with your PC, which is pretty cool. So that's the RGB in a nutshell. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I am very excited to get my hands on this and try this thing out. It's my first mechanical keyboard, first RGB keyboard. Well, I guess I have this crappy one that was like $20 right here. It's a membrane keyboard and it had 3 different colors, but this was totally customizable and stuff and looks really cool. So if you guys want to check it out yourself, I have a link down to the exact one I purchased down below in the comments, a link to Amazon, or not in the comments, the description, so you can check it out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think. If you have this keyboard, let me know your thoughts, if you were interested in anything like that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Be sure to hit that like button if you guys did. Subscribe for future content on this channel. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. Links are down below in the description for 10% off Control Freaks, as well as into the AM apparel. And you can find all the goodies down there, like my Amazon affiliate link and links to all my gear I used to record, and stuff like this keyboard I'm going to add on that list and all that stuff. But again, thanks for watching, guys. My name is Skater. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.